Class 10, Chapter 3, The Making of Global World. We will discuss about the process globalization and how does the present global world has occurred, how does the globalization has been developed through ancient or pre-modern world. First of all, we will discuss the definition of globalization. What do you mean by globalization? Globalization refers to interdependence and interconnection of various countries with each other. How does these countries are interdependent or interconnected? For example, they can be interdependent, interconnected in the terms of raw material. There may be minerals which can be produced in one country and not be produced in अनदर कंट्री. तो इसलिए अपन कह सकते हैं कि जो एक कंट्री है वो दूसरे कंट्री पे इंटरडिपेंडेंट है और उनके बीच में इंटरकनेक्शन है, जिसको अपन आज ग्लोबलाइजेशन कहते हैं. पर अब ये जो ग्लोबलाइजेशन है, ये अपने को देखने को मिलता है कि ये एंशियंट टाइम से डेवलप्ड हुआ है. द ग्लोबलाइजेशन हैज़ ग्रेजुअली डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम एन एंशियंट टाइम सो दैट in the modern world we can see the globalization. The most powerful example of globalization is internet, from which we can communicate in very short time in at any point of the globe. From ancient history, if we talk about the ancient history, from ancient times travelers, traders, priests, pilgrims travel vast distance for knowledge, opportunity, spiritual fulfillment और to escape persecution. इसमें ये देखा गया है कि एंशियंट टाइम में अपने देखने को मिलता है कई सारे ट्रेवलर्स ट्रेवल करते हैं, ट्रेडर्स जैसे ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ट्रेवलर्स, वास्को डी गामा, कोलंबस. लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस दे हैव ट्रेवल्ड फॉर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, फॉर ट्रेड, एंड सम priest pilgrim have traveled for knowledge, spiritual fulfillment, and people also travel or migrate to escape persecution, means certain condition like drought, flood, like that. When they travel they carry goods, monies, values, skills, ideas, inventions, and even gems and diseases. Example of globalization or migration of people from the ancient history. Example, around 300 BCE, active coastal trade linked Indus Valley civilization with Western Asia. This is the first example of ancient history where we see the connection of different countries. Around 300 BCE, the active coastal trader linked the Indus Valley civilization with West Asia. Similarly, millennium of Koris or Kodi, or we can call it as seashell, a form of currency which was in Maldives, have been traced from China and East Africa. Similarly, around 7th century, long distance spread of disease can be traced. So these are the example of globalization in ancient world.